What's up guys, it's your girl Tiff and I'm back with another video. Thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. If you are not a subscriber, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me right now. Thank you. We're going to get right into this video. I just wanted to come and do a very simple Valentine's Day look. This is for all my beginner babes out there, the girls who can't do the cut crease, the halos, all that extra good stuff. This is for you. This is for us. This is the most simplest, simplest look you're gonna get out there. I think I used 2, maybe 3 shadows tops. So if you guys want to get this soft, simple, cute, but still sexy look, then you already know what to do. Keep watching. Alright guys, we're going to get right into this look. I am going to be putting on my new lace. This is the What a Lace Chrissy from the Sensational line. My hair, I just have straight back and a ponytail, so yeah, don't mind me. But I'm gonna pop this wig on. I feel like a 1950s like dream girl with the way this hair looks. But we're gonna get it together. I already cut the lace and put some foundation on it just to blend it in with my scalp. I'm just gonna position it and then put the Got To Be Glue gel. I'm gonna smooth that around the perimeter of my scalp, and then we're gonna get this wig settled. If you have a blow dryer, then you can definitely use that. It'll definitely dry the product up a lot quicker so that it can adhere to your head or to your scalp a lot better. But I knew I wasn't going to be rocking this wig overnight, so it was okay with just fanning it for like, 15-20 seconds and boom, there we go. So I'm just going to take some of my wrap lotion just to kind of smooth down my hair in the front, because it did just seem a little too poofy. I'm not going to use any Got To Be Glue to kind of lay no baby hairs out or none of that. Nah, we just going to use some wrapping lotion, and I'm just going to take a scarf and just tie that down just so that it can stay. So jumping into the brows, I noticed I never really do my brows on camera. I do have a eyebrow tutorial, so I will link that here if you guys want a more detailed look. But I'm just going to use my Anastasia brow pomade and my angle brush from MAC, and I'm going to fill in my brows. And then I'm going to go in with my Nars Radiant Concealer, I believe in the color Amande, to clean them up, which I really love this shade because it doesn't give me that highlighted look under the brows. It's really my skin tone, so it really just sharpens up the brows and makes them look neat without giving it that extra halo or too bright of a look. So now we are going to move on to the face. I am using my Nars foundation. This is in the color Macao. If I don't remember all the shades or the products that I'm using, I will have it listed below. So I'm going to use my Sonia Kashnook beauty blender and just blend that into my skin. I recently got this beauty blender and I actually do like it. Not as much as the original beauty blender, but just as good. And now I'm going to go in with my Nars All Day Radiant Concealer. This is in the color Amande. This is to give me more of a color corrector, or just to kind of mute out the dark circles under my eyes. And then I'm going to go in with my Studio Fix or Studio Sculpt. Studio Fix by MAC. This is in NC45, and that is to give me more of a bright and highlighted look underneath my eyes. Now once I have my concealer blended in, I'm going in with my ColourPop concealer. This is in the shade Dark 56, and I'm just going to outline how I want to chisel these cheeks. I was going to do the top of my forehead but decided against it, and I'm also going to contour my nose, babies. Y'all know I don't do this often, so I'm going to go ahead and get the nose contoured. To set my under eye, I'm going in with my trusty fave. This is the Sacha Buttercup powder. I'm just going to use that beauty blender and press that into my skin to set the areas that I highlighted. All right, so getting into the eyes, this is going to be the simplest look. I'm using the Jackie Aina, this is her Anastasia palette. I'm using the shade Ginger, which is a very neutral brown, basically my skin tone. I'm just going to go ahead and put that all over my eyelid. That is just basically muting out, you know, the darkness of my eyes, just giving me a solid base. That is it for that. And then I'm going to move in with the Norvina palette. I think this was volume 2, and I'm taking the hot pink shade at the top, A5, and I am going to just apply that in my inner corner of my eye, almost as if I was going to do a cut crease, but not quite. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in the inner corner, spread it out a little bit, and then start to go into the crease of my eye, but stopping it like literally a quarter of the way. Now I'm going to pop some eyeliner and my waterline. This is just the black Eye Pencil from MAC. I think this one is in Feline or Smolder. Those are the only two that I really use. But I'm going to go ahead and pop that into my waterline, and then I'm going to take a small blending brush and dip into the black eyeshadow. I believe it's from the Jackie Aina palette, and just smudge that out. I did want to make this a little bit sultry since the actual eyelid is so simple. And then I'm going to go in with that same eyebrow brush, and I'm going to take that same hot pink, and I'm going to smudge that underneath the black just to give it a little bit more extra oomph. To blend out my face and to just set the areas, I'm going to use my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. This is in Deep Dark, and I'm just going to press that into the areas of my face. And then I'm going to go in with my Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm going to take the contour shade and just go ahead and chisel up that face, warm that face up, baby. So now I'm taking a brush to go ahead and set the contour on my nose, and it is in this moment right here is when I realized I messed up, because this brush had black eyeshadow on it. So my nose is looking real teddy bear-ish. So I'm just gonna take my powder brush and kind of sweep that away. I was not about to redo my face or my nose. I just kind of swept that to mute that black out. And I'm going to take my contour brush and just use whatever product is left on there, squeeze it, and try to go ahead and contour the sides of my nose. Ooh, child. So I'm going to go ahead and use the Nars Matahari blush and just apply that to the apples of my cheek. I also had already popped on some lashes. These are the Ardell's 112, I believe. So I'm going to go ahead and blend in my blush, and then I'm going to realize that, as always, my camera likes to get hot and shut off. So my camera's about to shut off right when I'm putting on my highlighter. So we're going to jump right back into it, and I'm going to go ahead and use my chestnut lip pencil. Y'all know that's a fave because we're basically at the end of it. I'm going to use my MAC Please Me lipstick and go ahead and put that on my lips. I'm loving this. Like, I don't wear pink lipsticks a lot, but when I do, I be like, damn girl, you need to do this more often. So I'm going to go ahead and take a lip gloss. I believe this is from Sigma, just a pink lip gloss, to pop that on my lips to give it some shine. And yes, baby. And no, we are not done. I'm going in with my Makeup Geek Pigment in Afterglow and popping that to the inner tear duct of my eye, because again, the eyes were so simple, y'all. Just a pop of pink, but you still want them to pop some more. So boom, that is that. And then I'm going to go in and add some more of that Makeup Geek pigment to my face to kind of make my highlight pop some more, y'all. Like, hey, never can go wrong with that. So that is really going to be that look. I am going to go ahead and take my big, what is this? Yes, my big powder brush, and just kind of blend everything in together before I set my face with my Fix Plus, or no, that is my Scandinavia spray that I'm going to use. But we're going to toss that hair back. Oh, toss that hair back. Take my primer, spray my face, and bam, my look is coming together. Alright guys, so this is going to be the completed look. Very soft, very simple, and very sultry. I hope you guys like this, and if you did, please do not forget to like and subscribe.